Welcome! If you want to turn on 5G on your Samsung Galaxy phone, the process is quick and only takes a few moments. Before you begin, make sure your device supports 5G and that your mobile carrier offers 5G service in your area. Once those requirements are met, you can easily enable the feature through your phone's settings. Start by opening the Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy device. Scroll down and tap Connections, where you'll find the network-related options for your phone. Next, select Mobile Networks to access your mobile connection settings. From there, tap Network Mode. Depending on your Samsung model and software version, you'll see different network options. Choose 5G Preferred or 5G LTE 3G 2G Auto Connect. This setting allows your phone to automatically connect to a 5G network whenever one is available, while seamlessly switching to 4G or 3G in areas where the 5G signal is weak or unavailable. This automatic switching helps maintain a stable connection and can also improve battery efficiency. After selecting the appropriate network mode, you don't need to save any changes because the setting is applied immediately. You can verify that 5G is working by looking for the 5G icon in the status bar at the top of your screen when you're in a 5G coverage area. If the icon doesn't appear, try restarting your phone, enabling and disabling airplane mode, or checking with your carrier to ensure your SIM card and mobile plan support 5G services. That's it! Your Samsung Galaxy is now ready to use 5G whenever it's available. Enjoy faster speeds and a better mobile experience.